Hello, everyone. My name is Denise, and I am a member of the Khan Academy Kids team. And this year, I also get to be your guide for summer camp. I'm super happy about that. And today, I'm presenting week one. In this week, it's all about going on safari, but without having to get on a plane. Now, how do you think we're going to get to do that? We are going to be exploring our own backyards, our own public spaces. And every backyard looks different, right? Some people have big backyards, some people have small ones. There are some people that live in the city where there's a lot of big buildings. Other people live near an ocean or near the sand. And some people have access to pretty incredible public spaces. So the idea this week is that you go out and become a safari explorer. Every day we'll start with a video, and then you're going to get to read a cool story in the free Khan Academy Kids app. We're going to write about what we learned, and we're going to play, play, play. Everything you need will be sent directly to your inbox in your Camp Can Kids weekly pack that will have links to all the resources, free printables, and many, many things for you to access and learn and play with us during week one safari. Now, if you're having fun, share pictures from all your art, your adventures, your writing, because we love to see what you create. And you can send them by using hashtag CampCanKids on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Welcome to summer and enjoy Camp Can Kids.